Hey folks, so how does your hybrid work in the winter? You know, a lot of people are concerned about batteries, especially in the winter. So I'm just going to show you. Last night, right now it's 13 degrees in Pittsburgh. Last night it was minus 11 without the wind chill. And so you can see like the battery, this is as low. This is a brand new car. You can see this is a brand new Hyundai Tucson hybrid, and it's got less than 1,000 miles on it, and you can see the battery is really low. So like the cold weather, or it's at half, but you can see like the cold weather, it doesn't, you know, cars don't like, batteries don't like cold weather. So just giving you an idea of like, the car started right up this morning, so I have to say that it started right up. Everything works, electronics are all good. So I just want to let you guys know what was going on. So brand new 2026 Hyundai Tucson started in sub-zero temperatures, and the batteries are at about half strength. So as I drive, those will obviously recharge. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions about the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited, let me know, because I got one and I'm doing reviews. And thanks for subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one, all 15,600 of you. Have a great day.